Today we're going to be checking out the carbon fiber upper trim molding that you could put on your C8 Corvette. So let's go check it out in this video. So thanks for tuning in, guys, and like I said, we're going to be checking out this carbon fiber piece right here. It comes from EOS or Extreme online store, and it is their carbon fiber upper trim molding that you can put on your C8 Corvette. You can put it on any kind of variant that you have, whether it's the Stingray, the Z06 like mine, ERAY, or even the new ZR1. It is an overlay piece, so it is actually extremely easy to put on. All you have to do is just literally clean the area, take off the double-sided backing off of the piece, and just kind of stick it on and you're done. So it is that simple. It's very straightforward. It's one of those pieces that if you like a lot of carbon fiber on your C8 Corvette, this is one of those pieces that is going to help kind of fulfill that idea. And it is one true piece of carbon fiber. You have the nice clear coat on the top, which has a very great finish. I definitely like the finish. And then you can see on the back side the carbon fiber weave as well. And this retails for about $200, which is not too bad for this large piece of carbon fiber. While it's relatively simple in regards to it doesn't have any curves, it is a rather long sheet that has to be done with a very nice clear coat finish, which it does have. So this I'm excited to put on my C8 Z06 because it's going to definitely just add the little bit of flair that especially I like in regards to, you know, adding carbon fiber bits onto it. So and that's essentially what you get. I mean, like I said, the install is going to be really, really good on this. It's really simple. I'm just going to have to clean the area, then just remove the double-sided tape off of this, and yeah, just put it right on. Now, I do have some extra double-sided tape that I may just plan to just add on a little bit more carbon fiber. EOS did a good job of putting 3 layers of stickiness here. But I'm probably going to add a few extra little bits of double-sided tape just because this is being held on just by double-sided tape, and I want to make sure that it's fully secure, it's not going to go anywhere kind of deal, and I would personally recommend that as well. Now, since this is going to be facing a majority of the sunlight, I do recommend some kind of protective coating, ceramic coating, or similar in regards to protecting this layer from yellowing prematurely from the sunlight. If you're wondering what kind of stuff I use Diamond Protect stuff. It is a form that is personally a little bit better than ceramic coatings that you see out there. Usually I would use like the Body 36. I have a video that you can definitely check out in regards to any of the Diamond protective coating systems kind of deal. So I'll probably use that on this piece here just to give that extra layer of protection. But that's essentially it. This is a very simple piece, but it is very straightforward, easy to do in your garage kind of deal. Don't have to take it to a shop to get it installed or anything like that. So let's go ahead and get this installed on the car so you can check it out how it looks. Alright guys, so we have finished installing that upper trim carbon fiber molding onto the C8 Corvette, and the install went pretty good. I mean, it's a simple piece as you saw in the video. Mostly the only thing is just making sure you line up everything just right right before you actually apply it onto the car, and doing little tricks like only just taking off the underside back ending on like the ends and then getting it in place and then pulling all of it off. That's going to make your life a lot easier than just pulling it all off and just hoping you get everything lined up right the very first time. But again, that's essentially it. This is a very easy install to do in your garage. with just basic, you know, isopropyl alcohol to just kind of clean the surface before you actually apply this piece on there. And it really looks great. It adds just that extra little bit of carbon fiber on the top here that honestly looks really good on this car. So in any case, I think that's going to wrap up today's video. So I hope you enjoyed it. If you like this video, please check out any of my other videos, and we'll see you next time. Take care, guys.